Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the OLED display. The display can be used in Arduino and Node MCU. To test this project, we will need OLED display, a breadboard, Arduino Uno, and some jumper cables. First, take the OLED display and put this display to the breadboard. Now take the Arduino Uno and upload the code to the Arduino Uno board. Connect the cable to the Arduino board. Now copy the code and open Arduino Drive app and paste the code here and compile it. The compilation is finished. Now upload the code to the Arduino. Now the code is fully completed to the Arduino board. Now let's connect the OLED display to the Arduino. Now connect the ground pin of the OLED display to the ground pin of the Arduino board. And connect the VCC pin to the plus 5 volts of the Arduino and connect third pin SCL to the analog pin number A5 and the last fourth pin to F. See, the OLED display is now turned on. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.